Good evening, students. You are given that 2 in bracket 3x plus 4 divided by 5 minus 1 or divided by 3 and then plus 4 is equals to 7. Find the value of x. How do we find the value of x? So how do you go about solving this type of problem? The first thing you have to do is to, since we can easily subtract 4 from both sides of the equation so that this fraction will stay alone. So let's do that. Subtract from both sides of the equation 4. So if you do that, you have 2 in bracket 3x plus 4 divided by 5 divided by, remember there is minus 1 here, divided by 3. So let's 4 go into the other side. You have 7 minus 4 and that will give us 3. So for simplicity, we have to solve each of these numerator and the denominator of the fraction one at a time for simplicity. So let's simplify the numerator of this left hand side part of the fraction. So from here, this implies 2 in bracket 3x plus 4 divided by 5 minus 1. So from here we have, notice that here 1 is the same as 1 over 1, because any number divided by 1 is still the number, so that we have a common LCM of 5. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. So from here 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. 1 times 2 will give us 2. That is 1 times 2 in bracket 3x plus 4 will give us 2 in bracket 3x plus 4. So minus 5 divided by 1 it gives us 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So if you open bracket, 2 times 3 will give us 6x. 2 times 3x will give us 6x plus 2 times 4 will give us 8 minus 5 divided by 5. So from here you have 6x, 8 minus 5 will give us 3 divided by 5. So you can now come to this expression we have already solved here. We got 6x plus 3 divided by 5. We can now come here and say that all of here up here is equals to 6x plus 3 divided by 5 divided by 3. So we can clean here for simplicity. All of here, all of this left hand side now is equals to 6x plus 3 divided by 5 or divided by 3, because we have simplified it here. So once we have done that, we can now bring it here. This implies 6x plus 3 divided by 5 divided by 3 is equals to what? Is equals to 3. So you can know that this here, all of this is one fraction. It's just the numerator of a complete fraction. So if you want, you can cross multiply from here. If you want, you can simplify. So from here, this is the same as 6x plus 3 divided by 5. Is it not divided by 3 is equals to 3. This means semicolon. So let's solve it. So here is the same as 6x plus 3 divided by 5 times 3 is equals to 3. So we can now bring it here. So this value here is the same as 6x plus 3. 5 times 3 will give us 15 is equals to 3. Now we can clean here. So what the next thing to do from here? All of these values here is equals to the value we have already written. Now let's proceed into simplify it. The next thing you have to do is to this implies 6x plus 3 divided by 15 is equals to 3. Next thing is to cross multiply. If you cross multiply in this value, you will have what? Cross multiply means if you cross, this is 3 over 1. So 1 times this value 6x plus 3 will give us what? 6x plus 3. And then 15 times 3. 15 times 3 will give us what? 45. You cross multiply. You do what? Cross multiply, so that this value here will times by 1, 15 will times by 3. This value here will times by 6x plus 3 equals to 15 times 3. Now from here we have 6x plus 3 is equals to 45. So subtract from both sides of the equation 3. So you have 6x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 45 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 will give us 0. So 45 minus 3 will give us 42. Now we have what? 6x is equals to 42. So what is the next thing to do? 6s is equals to 42. Divide both sides of the equation by 6 to make s the subject. So 42 divided by 6 will give us 7. In that case, x is equals to 7. And that is the answer. So from the given question, we now find that x is equals to s is equals to 7. S is equals to what? 7. If you want, you can check your answer. If you want, you can do what? Check it, whether S is equals to 7. You can always pause the video, see the solutions, and then continue from where you stop. So can we check it to prove that x is equals to 7? From the given expression, from this given equation, 2 in bracket 3x plus 4 divided by 5 minus 1 all divided by 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Let's check it. Let's start from the left hand side. Let's check our answer. So from the left hand side of the equation, put s is equals to 7. Wherever you see x here, you put equals to 7. So we have 2 in bracket 3 in bracket 7 plus 4 divided by 5 minus 1 or divided by 3 plus 4. So from here, 3 times 7 will give us 21, is it not? So this will give us 21. 21 plus 4 will give us 25. So 25 divided by 5, remember to multiply by 2. Multiplying by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 4. So what do you have? So from here, 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. Is it not so? 2 times 5 will give us 10. 10 minus 1 divided by 3 plus what? 4. So from here you have what? 10 minus 1 will give us 9. 9 divided by 3 plus 4 is equals to what? See that 9 divided by 3 will give us what? 3. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. 3 plus 4 will give us what? 7. So notice that 7 here is equals to the 7 in the right hand side of the equation. You see it? So 7 is equals to 7 is a correct answer. It's a correct what? Logical reasoning. So 7 is equals to 7. It's true. It's true when it is logical. So therefore S is equals to 7. So therefore S is equals to 7. If you enjoyed this video, before you go, please do me a favor, click the subscribe button to encourage me to bring more videos to your views. Like and share so others also will be aware of this video and given to you free. Click the notification button whenever there is new update. You'll be the first person to receive it. You can as well visit us in our website at www.manzananews.com and register for classes. We conduct classes an hour, weekly or monthly, depending on your own choice. We can as well help you in private lessons if that is what you need. I also encourage you to make sure you buy books in this area of mathematics, algebraic and arithmetic processes. Go to our book section at www.manzananews.com/ebook and buy book in algebra and arithmetic processes. Practical books, because we solve all the data, more than 250 questions with solutions. And then you still have an opportunity to ask questions in a month, free questions you don't understand. Once you buy the book, you are free to ask any questions pertaining arithmetic and the algebraic processes. That is one of the guarantee we give to any student that buy our books. Once you have these books, you are rest assured that any problems involving this area of mathematics will be thing of the past. So see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.